Hi, my name's Kyle Plant. I'm the business manager here at Labadie Toyota in Bay City, Michigan. And here's some reasons why you should lease your next vehicle. Number one, you have flexibility when leasing your vehicle. If the vehicle is not something that you want to keep for a long time, you do have the option of giving the vehicle back at the end of the lease. If you absolutely love the vehicle, you have options to buy the lease at the end. Number two, you get lower monthly payments on your vehicle when you lease the vehicle. Plus, you don't have to put as much money down out of your pocket. Number three, you get factory maintenance the whole time that you're in your lease. So Toyota gives you 3 years or 36,000 miles of full comprehensive warranty on the vehicle, 5 years, 60,000 on the powertrain. Plus, you get Toyota Care, which is 2 years or 25,000 miles of oil changes and tire rotations on the vehicle. If you want to drive a new vehicle every couple years and you want to be under factory maintenance and factory warranty, come and see us here at Labadie Toyota.